Welcome, dear friend. In this video, I want to show you how ChatGPT turns an hand-drawn pencil drawing website sketch, like you can see on your screen, then it turns it to a real working website like this. That's so amazing. So how did they do it? That's what I want to show you in this video. That's a part of telling you how amazing AI could be. And in case you are new to this platform, welcome. I am Solomon Foske, founder of AiHiPUniversity. We have the mission on this platform to encourage developers to embrace AI early so that you can 10x your development skill and at the same time amplify your productivity. Like the example we are doing in this video, imagine turning just an hand-drawn sketch, pencil drawn on paper. Many of us do this as a developer. When you want to okay, let me just try to sketch what this would be like, then instantly GPT-4 help you turn it to a working website, the HTML, the JavaScript, all those things. So you can now imagine if you do not embrace AIs like this early, there's no doubt that it will take you or send you out of your job. Because even before this AI, there are a lot of layoff in all this huge company. You can now imagine when this entrepreneur and capitalist have access to these amazing technologies. Don't you think your job as a developer is at risk? I don't care what a lot of people are trying to calm you down. You had better take this as a serious threat so that you embrace things earlier and then you can be above the threat. But don't let them calm you down until that threat comes to you. When that comes to you, you lose your job. Those people will not be there to share their salary or their own earning with you. So that being said, subscribe, tap the notification bell, and at the same time, join our Discord to meet with other AI enthusiasts or get support from me on our videos. And also, we have free courses to become more of AI developer by, developing ChatGPT clone and a lot of other AI app free on our website, AiHiPUniversity. You can go there with free certification. So that's it. Let's get back to what we are discussing about, how ChatGPT, our GPT-4 turn hand-drawn pencil drawing to a live website. As you can see it, the person that drew this is Greg Bookman, which I think is one of the co-founder or part of the team of OpenAI. Was able to draw this, and I will also show you how a video where we try to analyze. And it is the essence of this video is for me to just show you the power of what this AI are able to do, how they can help you and I as a developer if we embrace. So you can imagine you can now just draw out a client's project on paper that, okay, the client just give you all these things, you do like this, you do like this, and then you now have a AI that you can just snap that to turn it to a code, and then you can just go and customize it to your need or to your client or employee's need. Look at the time it will have skipped for you and a lot of things like that. So that's why I just want to show us, for us to experience what is coming up with these AIs. So now let's try to play this video here. Here it is now. You can see he wrote that on he drew it on the paper. Then the next thing is scan it up to GPT-4 powered chatbots like GPT Plus. Let's see what happened next. Created the prompt, then send it on. Amazing. The next thing we're seeing is code. He sent on the code. You can see it, and we'll soon see the website as well. He then copy the website. So it's just a simple thing. Draw hand sketch of a website. Use your phone to take a picture. Send it to GPT-4 powered chatbot like ChatGPT Plus. You can see it, and here you go. You have the website. Let me show you the site also here. So this is the website. You can see it created it. You see the HTML, the everything, and here it is. This is the website. If you click here, please, why don't scientists trust Atom? Review punchline. You see it? Because they make up everything. Wow. Joke 2. What's the skeleton's least favorite room in the house? Review the living room. Can you see it now? So this is an active website without need to adjust anything, just from here to the GPT-4 powered AI chatbot. Then it translates it to this full HTML, everything well coded. You can imagine what this can do. Let me hear in the comment box below. What do you think? How far this will actually help a lot of developers that can embrace this thing early on time. This is so amazing. This is interesting things I feel I need to share with you, fellow developers in this community. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell. Let's discuss more in the Discord, and as I see more things that this AI help developer and ask them to do online, I'll keep bringing them to you. If you have experiment with some other you want me to share with the community as well, let me hear right in the comment, and especially in the Discord, to get my attention. So that's it for this video, basically about turning an handwriting sketch on the book and then turning it to a full working website that is active, functional. It's reactive. You can click button and then some things are hidden and then reviewed. That's it. I remain Solomon Foske of AiHiPUniversity. Keep the programming spirit and alive, your only assurance to succeed as a developer in the long term. And please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming and coding skill, and not evil. See you in the next video. Peace and bye.